How do I make money online without spending money? Praneet Brar says, earning online is a struggle for beginners, but with consistent efforts and input, they become passive income streams. And hence become easy money. The struggle is to build your own audience, grow on a social platform so that people can take action as per your instructions. Content is the key to growth. Publish great content and start building your own audience. Once you have it, you are making easy and free money. Millionaire Mindset says, the answer is WordPress. There is a simple trick to creating online businesses, but most people do not know how to implement it. Only a few do, and they are the ones who make a lot of money. Do you know that a user in 3 seconds knows if he is going to stay on the web or not? Having a good recruitment strategy goes through a simple UI and landing pages that the user understands and where they leave their email. Once you leave your email, later you will leave your card, and you will make money. Ronho Extra says, you don't have to spend money to make money online. If you do that, that's called investing. Like buying stocks and hope that they appreciate over time. But that is not what you mean, I guess. So, let's think for a moment. If you work for somebody else, what are you doing? What are you trading for money? Labor? Time? Yes. You basically exchange your time and energy for money. The same can be applied online. You don't have to spend money to make money online. But you can exchange your expertise, your time or your energy for money. First, write down your skills. What are you good at? Talking? Writing? Graphic design? Web design? Art? Music? Write it down, and choose one from which you know you are good at. Now, think about who might need your service, who would pay you for doing what you are good at. Businesses need web designers to build and maintain websites. News websites need people to write stories. YouTubers need people to make or edit videos. Do you, in any of these examples, exchange your money for money? No. So what do? You create something and you use your skills and abilities to solve other people's problems. You do that by spending your time and energy on it. How can you also call this? Well, you basically exchange your value, your expertise, your skills, to solve other people's problems. For example, somebody created a video, and now he needs music for it. If you know how to make music, chances are that you get hired to create a song. This principle can be applied to any kind of skill and any occupation. You don't need to buy a course that tells you this. This is common sense, and if you really believe that there is some kind of secret magic spell that you can use to earn money online, then good luck searching for it. Ron. Thanks for watching our video on, how do I make money online without spending money?